Hey folks, welcome back to another exciting video where we explore the best ways to make money online. Today, I have something super exciting to share with you. Are you looking for an easy way to earn Amazon gift cards without spending a dime? Imagine being able to shop for your favorite items on Amazon without ever having to reach into your wallet. Well, let me introduce you to Datatelligence, your new best friend in the world of online earning. This platform is a game changer for anyone looking to make some extra cash or earn rewards effortlessly. Datatelligence is an online survey platform that rewards you simply for sharing your opinions on products and services. It's as easy as it sounds, and the best part is, you can do it from the comfort of your home. Imagine getting paid just for telling people what you think about their stuff. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's how it works. You don't need any special skills or qualifications, just your honest opinions. You sign up, start taking surveys, and earn points for every single one you complete. The more surveys you take, the more points you accumulate, and these points can be redeemed for amazing rewards. No qualifying questions, no hoops to jump through. Unlike other survey sites, Datatelligence makes it straightforward and hassle-free. You don't have to worry about being disqualified halfway through a survey. You get points every time, guaranteed. This means every minute you spend on the platform is worth it. You're always moving closer to your reward. What makes Datatelligence stand out is its simplicity and the guarantee of rewards. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate. Each survey you complete brings you closer to those coveted Amazon gift cards. Think about all the things you can buy on Amazon with those gift cards, from electronics to books and even groceries. Got some free time during your lunch break or while binge-watching your favorite series? Why not turn that time into valuable gift cards? It's a productive way to spend your downtime. Why not turn that time into valuable gift cards? You can easily fit it into your daily routine without any stress. And trust me, it's totally legit. Datatelligence has a solid reputation and countless users who vouch for its authenticity. People are cashing in on these rewards every day. You can join them and start earning right away. It's a community of savvy earners who know how to make the most of their time. Whether you're saving up for something big or just want to enjoy some extra perks, Datatelligence is the way to go. Just think about it. You can plan your purchases and make your shopping experience even more enjoyable. You get to voice your opinions, help shape the market, and get rewarded for it. Plus, it's super flexible. Your feedback can influence the products and services of tomorrow. You can take surveys anytime, anywhere. No pressure, no deadlines. Whether you're at home, at a cafe, or even on the go, you can easily participate and earn. It's earning on your terms. You decide when and where to take the surveys, making it a perfect side hustle for anyone with a busy schedule. So, what are you waiting for? The opportunity to earn is right at your fingertips. Head over to Datatelligence, sign up, and start earning those Amazon gift cards today. It's quick, easy, and absolutely worth it. And hey, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Datatelligence? Your experiences and tips can help others in the community. What was your experience like? Did you find it as rewarding as I did? Share your stories and let's get a conversation going. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, folks. Your feedback is valuable and helps us bring you the best content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on future videos. We have a lot more tips and tricks coming your way. Until next time, happy earning. Stay tuned for more ways to make the most of your time and money.